Okay, wait, I spent 3 years trying to get glass skin, and this $70 kit did it in a week. The Medicube Glow Set used to be $240. It's free shipping right now on TikTok Shop. Bestie, I would literally never lie to you. I'm talking glass skin, tight pores, glowy skin, the whole thing. Korean skincare girlies have been doing this for years, and we are just now catching on. Grab it before it sells out because 181,000 girls already did, and it has 4.7 star reviews.
I know you guys been seeing these viral TikTok shop videos that uses AI models, they uses call videos, they uses other models. And today I'll be showing you guys how to make exact models and bring them to life, how to make the images, where to find them. And I'm going to be talking about my personal experience with them. I ran up 2 successful TikTok shop accounts using AFM, which is AI Influencers Marketing. In today's video, I will give you 4 AI models you can start with to go crazy with your AI TikTok shop. Even if you're not viral yet, you can still use these for normal content until you blow up and use the same AI model to do TikTok shop videos for your audience. I know I'm not gonna waste your time because you got something to do. You got a lot of shit to do throughout your day. I got a lot of shit throughout the day. I run 2 successful accounts. I run this personal brand YouTube. I got other shit I gotta do, so we both gotta hurry up with the value. You know what I mean? Also, you can join my free Discord. I'm not gonna force you to join my free Discord. It's for free. We host like literally free classes. I have a class coming up tomorrow that I will drop a video about, right, where I actually talk to my community that actually joined for free, and I answer the questions, and I see what problems they have with their accounts and if they're starting out, and you know, if they want to get hooked to the game. So let's get straight into it. Some of you guys already seen a lot of these AI models and I've been spamming it, but there should be a reason why I'm spamming it, because it works. It's been proven to work so many times that if you do it, you can get that spike video on a TikTok shop video and blow the fuck up, and you'll get a lot of converts on the video. My bad if I'm cursing, but it's just facts. Especially in the beauty or skincare niche. I'm in this niche and it gets a lot of money. All right, I tell you that right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this AI model. I've been getting a lot of requests in my Discord asking, yo, what niche are you in? Whatever. You guys already should know this. I've talked about it in most of my videos, and I am in the beauty skincare niche for females. All right, and I can show you how to make these videos literally in under 20 minutes if you just stick with me, bear with me, don't skip and fuck up my watch time. All right, so I'm trying to win on YouTube. You're trying to get the value for free and get all that, so just bear with me. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, because I'm the only guru that drops sauce for the free, and I got free classes in my Discord for free every single week. That was a bar, but let's get straight into the work. First off, I go on Pinterest and I look for a model to use for my TikTok shop niche, right? Whether I'm starting out to go viral or whether I already have an account that's eligible to promote products and earn a commission. Then I take this photo, I dump it into Cloud. I tell Cloud I'm using this model to promote my TikTok shop product that's in the women beauty niche, and I found a killer product. I want your help writing a killer, you know, girly script for it, and I am willing to use this model Tensor and VO3, and I'm just explaining him. Basically, Cloud and all these AI tools that you guys are using, ChatGPT Pro, don't use the regular ChatGPT because it's so trash, right? Like, you don't want to use the regular one. It's so bad. You want to use either Cloud or ChatGPT Pro because it's way smarter. It spends time actually, you know, processing your, you know, idea. And by the way, just to let you guys know, right, you have to treat Cloud and all these AI people literally like your employees. Some of you guys are like, oh, just AI, man. No, you have to, that ass go in details. You generally have to be grinding, bro. This shit takes like, if you spend 2 hours making a video, it will be perfect. But if you spend only 20 minutes and you let AI just do everything, you're gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? The quality difference is gonna be there. You could see it. So, you know, just to get it out there that AI is not gonna do everything, but you can make it better, you know what I mean? So then after that, I sent him the product that I'm gonna use, which is this product right here. It's for 200 and almost 40, but I don't know why on desktop they don't show you the deal, but this product is going on for $70, I believe. It's 66% off. So this is a perfect product to actually promote, right? Especially for my niche. And it has almost 180,000 sold with a 4.7 star review. That means this product is a perfect legendary product that we're going to earn a lot of commission on. And it's literally been trusted, which is BOF, bottom of funnel. This is a trusted product that's famous, kind of famous. You know what I mean? So when a person sees it on our Facebook, oh, I already seen this before, and that's a whole kit for only $60 or $70, I can buy that. And there's a lot of people that have good reviews about this product, and it has 5 stars. 12,000 people put 5 stars on it. People are liking it, so this is a perfect trusted product we can promote. After I gave the product to Cloud, he gave me a nice prompt from my Gemini to make the AI influencer come to life with the product. To summarize everything, we went to Pinterest, we got the model, we fixed things with Cloud, then Cloud gave us a nice prompt. Boom, we dumped it in here. We made a perfect kind of, nice room and all that for the product promotion. Then after that, we dumped the product in here. We gave the cloud prompt. Then boom, we got the products on the table, and it's looking so realistic, that people were actually watch this video. People were willing to watch this video. So how we're gonna bring this video to life? We will use VO3, right? And that's what Cloud did for us. Cloud gave us all the scripts for VO3 and how we're gonna market it. And the last script was give me now a VO3 prompts for her to promote these and talk them in a girly way, personality and all that stuff like bestie and all that bullshit. By the way, this kit was for $240. Now it's only for $70 and it's free shipping. I need catchy hooks for the girls that are trying to get skin development and look pretty in general. I'm going to take all these prompts and put it in VO3 with the image we just created with Gemini. By the way, if you haven't joined the Discord already, what the fuck are you doing? Because we're just genuinely offering free value to the community, and we will be hosting a free call today, and I'll be uploading it tomorrow for you guys that are not joining and stuff like that. But as you can see, I'm always texting people and I'm responding. Like, these are not mods responding, that's me. Alright, so as y'all can see right now, we just added all the prompts that Cloud gave us. But sometimes VO3 be bugging with the tone and like the lag a little bit. So I have to keep continuing to make more videos. Let's just put all these clips in CapCut and chop them up and see what we can get.
Okay, wait, I spent 3 years trying to get glass skin, and this $70 kit did it in a week. The Medicube Glow Set used to be $240. It's free shipping right now on TikTok Shop. Bestie, I would literally never lie to you. I'm talking glass skin, tight pores, glowy skin, the whole thing. Korean skincare girlies have been doing this for years, and we are just now catching on. Grab it before it sells out because 181,000 girls already did, and it has 4.7 star reviews.
As you guys can see, I just created this video in less than 20 minutes, 25 minutes, maximum half an hour, right? And the video turned out to be great. Like, it's good and everything. You can use this for any model you want. You could literally go and search up Dr. Pinterest. You can literally search up cartoon stuff and change them up with Gemini. Do your own business with Cloud and treat him like an employee. And I'm telling you this, within like the 30 video or 40 video, at least you will blow up. It's quality over quantity at the end of the day with TikTok Shop. If you don't know already GMV Max and all these things, I'm going to teach everything in the Discord below. I have a free class today or tomorrow. I will ping everybody in my Discord and let you guys know the timing and where we're gonna be, VCing at. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you guys for watching till the end. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.